back to the Crystalina Perspective. In today's video, I have some pretty mail, guys. I am so excited to jump into this unboxing from the Pretty Planner Co. So if you are interested in watching, stay tuned. Hey guys, so you may or may not know, but I am a PR representative for the Pretty Planner Co. company, and I'm just so excited and so ecstatic to be a part of the team. I do have a coupon code. I will drop it right down below in the description, and I'll also flash it across the screen. That code is Crystal15. So if you see any pretty things in this box that you guys may be interested in, don't forget to check out that code. Now, guys, I'm super duper excited. The box came like this, minus the USPS little imperfections. This is a beautiful box. It says, "Hey there, pretty," and it really makes me feel pretty when I see it. It's also pink, and you guys know that I love all things pink. Gotta have pink in my life. So let's go ahead. I'm shaking the camera. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Y'all, first off, I'm gonna adjust the camera so you guys can see the inside of this box. Now, if you know anything about Crystal over at the Crystalina Perspective, you know that packaging is everything to me. I love some Bontel packaging. Like, give me some packaging that makes me want to marry your company. And I keep spending my coins there. So let me show y'all this packaging. Hang tight. Okay, guys, I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at this beautiful box. It says top priorities, order Pretty Planner, open order, enjoy. Baby, look at this. And it has a cute thank you right there. Y'all can't tell me this box not fire. I'm already turned up by the box, y'all. Look at the box. Okay, we're going to move on to the goods. Okay, y'all, now that I got that out the way, I just had to show y'all the inside of this box because this box is so beautiful. So the next thing I have here is this beautiful card. I'm gonna keep it. I mean, hey, you have to keep all the things. And this card says, "You can't build a house without a blueprint." Pastor Kevin L. Harris Sr. Now that's real. So just like how we need a blueprint for our house, we need a blueprint for everything in life, y'all. So I absolutely love this. And then there's a beautiful note on the back, as well as space for you to make a wish list. And y'all don't forget to use Crystal15. Now, look at this packaging. Y'all already know that it is filled with some amazing things. So let's gently open it up. I'm gonna save my sticker. And this tissue paper, y'all. Whew. Just take it in for a second. Just take a moment to take it in. Like, y'all know I love beautiful things. Y'all already know that. So I have some inserts and dashboards over here and some other little, so let's start over here. This is the pretty, look at me, I'm looking to make sure that I call it the correct thing. This is the Pretty Planner Placelet, and these are for the A5 planners. And y'all, look at there. OMG. Inserts dance and song right here. This is pretty. Oh my God. Like, y'all, can you see that? Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Oh my God. Y'all, that's a thumbnail right there. Like, oh, pretty. So basically you put this around your planner. Do I have a planner nearby? I don't, but we're gonna, like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it looks like it may be a gold or a rose gold. It's more rose gold looking, but look at it up close and personal. Y'all can't tell me that's not beautiful. So We got one of those. And then we also got some circle stickers. Now, y'all know that I am a sucker. I'm trying to gather my things here, guys. You guys know I am a sucker for all types of little note teams. So these circle stickers are so beautiful. You can use them like to do days of the week. You can use them to circle your paydays, anything like that, and they're clear. So like I'm gonna pull up one, as you guys can see right there. So yes, so I have a pink one that's called Wedding. Oh, they're all called Wedding, my bad. We have pink, purple, and blue. These are so beautiful, so beautiful. I can't wait to use them in my planner. And I'm not gonna put everything back in the packaging just yet, y'all. I'm just gonna set it to the side. The next thing I got is, I'm a sucker for notepads. I use notepads at work. I use them for school. I use them at home. I just use notepads. So this first notepad, and look at this packaging. Y'all, shut the... Manifest with words. Y'all know manifest is my thing. So, plan your vision, style and color, manifest with words. I can't talk. Amen to that. That is where it's at. So, you know what? Let me get some of this stuff out the background so y'all can kind of see, because I know you see all that and you overwhelmed. So hold on a second. This is the Pretty Important. Hold on. This is the Pretty Important notepad. It has where you can put the date, 5 things, and then any miscellaneous things that you need. She thick. She has a lot of paper on her. And she is not a sticky. It's just where you just tear it off. And you can easily clip these into your planner or put them in your planner pocket or wherever. So the next thing is this gorgeous notepad right here. This one is a little bit different. It is Sunday through Saturday. So literally, and it says pretty please. I absolutely love it. This can be a honey-do list or a list for your kid or whatever. For me, it's I need to get all of these things out of my head and brainstorm what needs to be done each day before I plan a good pre-plan notebook for me. And this one also is thick. This one isn't a sticky note or anything. You literally just write what you need. You can take it with you, stick it in your purse, stick it in your planner bag, wherever, and go. So the next series of things are quite a few sticky notes, and I'm not going to open all of these. I'm just going to kind of show you guys. So I had to get this one. This one was the affirmation sticky note. So pretty planner code right there. And I am magnificent, marvelous, whatever you want to put in this space. And then similar to that notepad we had, this is the Pretty Please sticky note. So pretty. And I'm going for all the pink ones because y'all know I love pink. So this one is the I'm Out. I'll probably be using this one for work because I do work at a clinic. I am a nurse. So this is good for people to know, like, my voicemail passcodes and things like that when they're working for my provider. So that way my provider doesn't get behind. So this is a really nice sticky note for that. And then the next few sticky notes all look the same. They are rounded. This is why I got them. Y'all, I have an obsession with rounded corners. I know that's weird, but that's just me. I have a corner rounder, can't talk, and I round everything. And so there's a gray color, a pink color, a brown color, and a mustard color. I'm quite sure those are not the proper names of these sticky notes, but I'm very excited to have all of these. Last but not least, I got these pocket cards that are oh so cute. This one says, wait till I get my money right now. Nah, 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 can't tell me nothing. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm done. Getting it back together. Okay. So, guys, that is what this one is. And you can stick it on your planner. That is beautiful on the back side right there. And then this one says, grind, grit, prosperous. I really love that one. And then I love this one because it looks like a paint swatch, but it's not a paint swatch. So that is where it's at. And then on the back, it has like a habit tracker. And all of these feel like they're they have a coating on them. They're laminated, so they're not going to just, if you put marker or something on it, you should be able to get it off, but you shouldn't be putting no marker on your stuff. Okay, anyway, moving on, guys. Okay, guys, so the next few things I got are some inserts, and I'm not going to take all of these out of the package. I'm just going to kind of show you, and then you guys will get to see me play in them. So this is one of the dailies. I love this daily. This is actually really beautiful and functional. So here's a better view. You have where you can write out your schedule for the day. You can circle the days of the week. For some weird reason, I'm obsessed with circling the days of the week. Or you put one of your pretty planner code circles over the day of the week. You know, I'm just trying to help y'all out. And then you can write down your priorities, like what are your must-dos for today, other to-dos that you need to do, and then an affirmation, or I just like to say elevated thoughts in this bubble, and then any notes. So I really love these inserts. I'll be converting back to my A5 in March. So we're going to play with it and check it out. Then the pretty notes. Y'all, these are so cute. Like, I always need notes pages, especially for my A5 planners, because you could just be thinking about the next vacation or party or whatever and just need some notes. Then the next few things are a few dashboards that I picked up. This one is the pretty things come to those that hustle pretty. So that is really cute. And then we also have the pretty in black and in pink, and you guys will be seeing more of this, so make sure that you are following the Crystalina Perspective Instagram page. And then I just had to get this broken crayon still color. We are still capable of coloring. You just may have to peel the paper back or sharpen us, but we still can color. And then I got the new undated weekly and daily. And I'm going to have to take these out so y'all can kind of see. So, these are undated, which I love. And, oh no, are these the newest? No, these are the old ones. I don't know. Wait. Y'all, I'm getting mixed up here. So anyway, you can put the month, the week, and then I wanted to try something horizontal and like this. So that is why I got these. They are so nice. I wanted to get these. No, I think she's coming out with some newer ones, guys. The other ones that I showed you guys. And then the daily, which I don't have to take this one out. It's similar to the other one, except for this one has like a rectangle instead of the circle. And this one also has your water intake and your meals. So like if you're really trying to focus in on some goals and get like super hyper focused on something, these would be really good for that. And then the last segment of this section are these covers. Y'all listen to that. Baby, they thick. Like these right here. I'm gonna have to open my rings up to put these in. This ain't no slit life right here. So it says grind, list, projects, finance, goals, and miscellaneous. I love this goals tab, y'all. Love it. Love it. Okay, guys. So the last thing I got is the multi-bay or multi-B. I could be saying that wrong. Y'all know I butcher names. But this is the clear A5 with rose gold hardware. And baby, for me just taking it out, you cannot tell me that it is not already pretty. I made a lot of noise there. But look at this. Oh, look at this hardware. Look at that. Oh, look at those rings. I want y'all to see this. OMG. And I love that you can take these out if you want bigger. I wouldn't, but you know, people like to do their own thing. And yes, so guys, I got some beautiful things from the Pretty Planner Co. You guys check out my code to save you some money. And I can't wait to show you guys how I put all these things together and make some magic. This right here, oh, wait a second. This right here is the first form of magic. Let me get it right. Let me get it right. It stretches over. Okay. Y'all can't tell me. Can't tell me nothing. Baby. You cannot tell me. That's all I'ma say. That's it. So yes, guys, I hope that you guys like this video. I have a little bit more energy because your girl had a little bit of wine. That is okay. It is Galentine's weekend, so y'all be safe. This is everything that I got. I just wanted to really get a video out and show you guys my new product. I do have more videos coming. Bear with me. School, work life has been crazy, okay? So guys, I am going to go ahead and jump off. Go check out Pretty Planner Co. Go now, go, go, go. And until our next video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.